All right, so I hear a noise outside. Let's go see what that can be. All right, we're headed out. I know what it is. I bet you. Yep. He's here. And he's fighting my car. Let's get this bastard. Yeah, you! Get out of here! You're wise ass. Mess with my car, I'll get you. Well, every time I get the car washed, he comes over to eat. And he likes to damage my car. See some scratches on there today. I don't see anything new, but this son of a gun sees his reflection like that and thinks it's another bird. My car's paying the price. I got some serious stuff over here. Yeah, look at those. That little shithead. Alright, well, next time I'll catch him. Okay.